Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Leanne and this is Babybel. We share everything mum and baby related, and today we're going to take you through how we made the melon tower cake that we used for Babybel's Cake Smash photo shoot. It was actually a lot easier than we thought it was going to be. To make the cake we used a watermelon, a Galia melon, some strawberries, some kiwis and those cookie cutters that you can see there to cut the shapes. We also had a revolving cake stand so that we could see what we were doing and just make it a bit easier. First of all, we cut the ends off of the melon to make it flat and then cut it in half to make the two layers. And then once we'd done that, we cut the skin off. I say we, John had to do this because we had Babybel and she didn't want to be put down, as you can see in the video. We then neatened it all up so that it was a rounder shape and sliced off as much of the white stuff as we could. Once we'd done the bottom layer, we did the same with the next layer and then obviously made it a little bit smaller so that it could fit on top. I did think it was going to be a bit bigger than it turned out. We were originally planning on having 3 layers, but it was a little bit smaller than we thought it was going to be. But there is just the watermelon. Then we got the other melon and chopped that into slices, and then using our cookie cutters we cut hearts into it to start with. I wasn't sure how we were going to stick them on, and I never did figure out how we were going to stick them on, so we just stood the hearts up, and what we had to do is just cut the points off of the bottom just so they would stand up. And then we also cut the stars as well, and we found that with the cookie cutters on the stars I had to just slice some excess melon off of there. Then we just placed those melon shapes round the watermelon. At this point Babybel is off menacing things, probably in the conservatory. And then once we'd done all the melon shapes, we chopped up the kiwis and we used the round cookie cutter as well just to neaten that up a bit. And then we chopped up the strawberries and just arranged them in a little pattern round the outside of the cake stand just to make it a bit more decorative. And there you can see it there, all finished. And then for the photo shoot we just added some spray cream onto the top, and that was it. As usual, we really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment and hit that subscribe button. It makes us really happy and it lets YouTube know that the video is worth showing to other people. We'll see you next time. Say bye. Bye. Yeah.